Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a TikTok video and save it as a draft without actually posting it. Let's dive in. First thing first, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to head to the lower center of the screen where you see the plus sign. You want to click on the plus sign. In our case guys, we're going to select this particular image over here. Then we're going to simply press next. When you finish with all the editing, hashtags, location, metadata, taggings, all you gotta do is right before posting, click on the left side next to the post. There is a button that says drafts. When you click on drafts, guess what? Your post was simply saved and it's ready to process next time when you're ready to post. Where you find your drafts? Well, you gotta click on the lower right corner where you see the profile icon. You refresh your page and you will find your draft post on the top left corner where usually you see your pin posts. So there's two ways you can actually proceed with the post and delete the post as a draft. You can click on the draft, and if you want to proceed and post it, all you gotta do is to click on it. That's it, automatic. Then you press next and then you press post. If you want to cancel the post, for example, you change your mind and you want to delete this draft, you want to start all over again, you gotta click on the top right corner where it says select. You click on the select, then you select the actual piece of content, and then you hit the lower center of the screen which says delete. Then you confirm deletion, and there you have it. This is how you save a video without posting it as a draft, and this is how you actually delete the draft or proceed from the draft to the actual post. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.